Imagine looking through a powerful telescope and witnessing the two largest planets in our solar system, Jupiter and Saturn, on a collision course. While this scenario is highly unlikely, the mere thought of such an event can be both fascinating and terrifying. On December 21, 2020, a legendary astronomical event occurred when Jupiter and Saturn were closer than they'd been in nearly 400 years. Although they appeared as a single star in the evening sky, they were still far from an astronomical collision. In this video, we will delve into the intriguing possibilities and consequences if these colossal gas giants were to collide. The giants Jupiter and Saturn. Before we dive into the potential cataclysmic collision, let's understand the two protagonists in this cosmic drama, Jupiter and Saturn. Both planets are mostly composed of hydrogen and helium, making them almost entirely gaseous. While they may have solid cores, there is no sharp transition between the gas and core layers. Jupiter holds a significant advantage, being about 3 times as massive as Saturn, with almost double the volume. Additionally, Jupiter rotates faster at 13 km/s, 1 ms, compared to Saturn's rotation speed of just below 10 km/s, 6 ms. However, Saturn brings a wild card to the fight. It is accompanied by at least 150 moons and moonlets within its iconic rings. Comet collisions, a history lesson. To understand the potential consequences of a Jupiter-Saturn collision, we can look at past cosmic encounters. In 1994, Jupiter witnessed a remarkable event when the comet Shoemaker-Levy 9 collided with it. Originally nearly 2 km, 1.2 m wide, the comet was torn apart by Jupiter's gravity before crashing into the gas giant. This caused a cataclysmic release of energy, heating Jupiter's atmospheric temperature to nearly 40,000 C, 72,000 Fa. If Saturn were to collide with Jupiter, given its massive size compared to Shoemaker-Levy 9, the impact would be significantly more destructive. Jupiter and Saturn's dance of destruction. If Jupiter and Saturn were to collide, their atmospheres would mix, raising temperatures in the top layers of their atmospheres. Jupiter, being the larger planet, would likely absorb Saturn or most of it, resulting in the formation of a new planet, Jupiternus. Scientists at Sun Yat-sen University in China have modeled a scenario involving a massive planetary embryo colliding with Jupiter billions of years ago. This event destroyed Jupiter's original compact core and formed a more diluted core composed of a dense mix of liquid metallic hydrogen and helium. A Jupiter-Saturn collision, being 10 times more massive, would result in even larger amounts of material spreading out into space, eventually coalescing into the new planet. The birth of Jupiternus, a new star in our solar system. Jupiter is often referred to as a failed star due to its size and composition, similar to that of a brown dwarf. However, Jupiternus would be even more massive and have higher internal pressure. Under the right conditions, nuclear fusion could occur in its core, potentially turning it into a star. The impact of having 2 stars in our planetary neighborhood would be profound, with potential consequences for life on Earth. The impact on life on Earth. Fortunately, the mass of Jupiternus, even after merging with Saturn, would still be well below the threshold required for nuclear fusion ignition. Therefore, life on Earth would likely continue as usual. Nevertheless, the collision would be an awe-inspiring spectacle, with vast amounts of gas and debris expelled into space. The sun's illumination would create a beautiful, glittering end to Saturn as we know it. While the thought of Jupiter and Saturn colliding might spark a sense of both wonder and fear, it's essential to remember that such an event is highly improbable. As we continue to explore and understand our solar system, it is these rare celestial events that remind us of the vastness and complexity of the cosmos. Jupiter and Saturn's cosmic dance is a reminder that our understanding of the universe is still evolving, and there are still countless wonders to discover.